Wave Andy. Wave. That Andy, welcome. Inside na, inside. Marco. Ate, let them be good.
Activities, if interested, mag-avail po yun na sa location spot po. So, all attractions mag-avail.
Kamay lang, map.
Alam mo, circle mo na itong ma-avail free. May ticket. Ito ba?
Ano ba yun? Andy, can't understand. So,
Dad, if I stand here, they go to me.
Sige, Chai. Chai.
Some of them go to me.
Slowly on the highway. Right, Paul, don't step on the rocks. Wave, Koy. Koy, wave. Oh, kama na. Dali na, Koy. Come on, Marco. Koy, kama na, Koy. Gapo, kasi ang bulak ko ikiniba.
Marco, come here.
Ate, si ate. Sige na, Jo. Picture.
Hello.
Hold them up.
Sige nga lang, Johnny. What's the name of this?
The one that's being circled.
It's a kind of chicken, Koy.
Avail.
Hello.
So we are here.
Hello. It looks scary because of the eyes. Dad, is this an Egypt chicken?
I don't know.
It's from. It looks like it's from.
Just move there.
Mom, yeah, move. That's why. And why does the eyes look angry? I want to ride in my life. Hey, it's a bird.
It's a chicken family. So, sulod na mi diri sa kanima detour lang ni amo ha. Detour, so ni ilang map daghan kay places nga madtuan, but few ra mo makadaan kuan ra. Petting zoo, bird feeding dome, butterfly dome, Museo de Mariposa, and the Malagos Chocolate Museum. Mora mong madtuan. Okay, so man yung main gate, I think. Kita na ilang mga ano, brand of chocolate, Malagos chocolate. So they have their wow pond. Yep. Ajo, bird feeding museum. It's Andy. Andy.
Apil da ito Mark?
Wala. So, Malagos Science in the Park. Stay, we're not in... Ay, Koy! Just watch.
Ay, pa ma-picture ka mo.
Sige, sige. It's not included, but we'll just have a pic. Koy, don't go down ha, we're not allowed.
Hindi ba? Huwag na mapis.
Dali na, Jo eh. So, diri dahil mi sa bird feeding dome. Stay, House of Birds. We'll go here, Andy. House of Birds, Andy. So, nasa na yung mga gazebo. Ah, ate, picture ate. Jo, magbalik ka Jo, dali oh. Feeding dome.
Hala, those are big eggs. Bird feeding dome.
Na sila ay dome. Jo, na sila ay dome Jo. Ate. Ate, dome. Pero kadlok yung sing halas.
Picture, picture.
Okay, picture. 3 of you.
You're into the egg? There's a hole? There's a hole in there? There's a hole? Okay, it looks like it. No, you can be seen. Get your face out like that.
Petting zoo.
Like this? I don't want to touch tiger. Malagos petting zoo.
Ooh. Okay lang baki dito guys oh.
We're all tired of bringing it, Andy.
Sabi lang. Ate.
Inside there.
Why you always bringing it? Ate.
Hey, Mom said.
Morning petting zoo. Ah, makatry sila gawan anak.
Hi, bro.
Ah, na-charge. Tanaw na lang mi, tanaw.
Free daw. Ano sa free?
Free ang diri, sulod. Ah, Jo, bayad juga Jo, duck feeding 20. So, duck feeding. Bayad ka 20. Andy, stop the good shouting. Andy, it will not. It's just a baby goat. And it's sick.
Let's go pet the horse.
Ah, dagang sila langgam oh. Jo, dagang ilang langgam oh. To. Goatee, goatee.
Let's pet the horse.
Dago kaya ko ano. Kanding. Yep. Where's the gate? Ang gate nila, Jo. Hey, faster. Oh, they're using rubber. Oh. Ito, pilay bayad. Libre tanaw. Hala ko eh. There's a bird ko eh, oh. There, oh. Say hi, Koy. Kukat to.
Ay.
Nagani.
No, we can touch.
Basin.
Yes, we can just dash it up. Turtle.
Love Jo.
Huh? Hello. Wow, would you like that?
Will do like that, ha?
I wanna go. Daddy, can I try?
Yep, later. Okay lang manok, guys.
I want to go. Hey guys, there
You
is a
try, walk
parrot
slowly,
guys.
Koy, slowly. It might, Koy, fly.
Okay, so guys, this is a parrot and it's
It's
eating.
eating the leaves.
Hi parrot. Parroty.
Hey, Koy.
Uy.
Get near, Koy. Wow.
Hello. Oh,
Dili siya pwede.
Na, sakit ka na mama ako.
Mamak na.
Hmm.
I'm scared.
Bata naman.
I want the birds. I don't want the parrot.
Hindi, mamaak na siya dyan.
I want the birds. I don't want the parrot.
Mamaak ni siya, kuya. Mamaak. Ano siya pagunit?
I want the birds.
Bulupa din siya.
Oh.
Ah, this one, Koy. They like that, Koy.
Come. Oh, mom, it's scared. Guys, it's scared.
Oh.
It will bite.
No, it will not bite. Look at the head, oh.
It's scared. Stop, Dad. It's scared. It's scared. Come.
Ate.
No, Dad, it's scared.
Ano? Ay, dito siya.
Hello. I said I hate parrots. They're scary.
Uy, scary.
Kita na pagkaon.
Hello.
Sige, Koy.
Hello. Hello. I hate parrots. They're scared.
Uy.
Mama.
Sige, Koy.
Oh my God. Come here.
Uy, ang ilang manok, guys. Oh.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. 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 Hi.
Sabi ilang kuan. Ate, look at the hair of their chicken.
Hi. Daddy,
Di ba, ate, in the movie, Blue, they cannot fly. They just crawl. I they can fly, but that one train is cannot run.
come here.
See, again, Tay. Hello?
No, Koy.
Hello? Dad, maybe there are
Salty.
dirt in your...
Ah, video. Koy,
Ay,
video na.
kamahagbo. Ito na yung masugod na. Video ka diya, ah.
Come here. Rico, move.
Ate, Koy, on your shirt, Koy. Eh, put like that, Koy. Put near, Koy.
Daddy, oh.
Si Koy, paatan ba nga photo ba yung tudlo? Dako ng... Hey, ate. Ah, ate, oh, kat ate.
So, ate, there's many there, ate.
Huh? He likes ate. Hello, Marco. Yup. Ah, ate, oh. Oh. He wants to connect, ate, right? Or he wants to talk. I like here. Like that. Huh? Ah.
Family na sa manok, Mar?
Oo.
Let's try.
Dito na ba na ako masabot?
Ah, gagi siya, ate. Right? Ate?
Let's try.
Hello.
I don't like you.
Oh.
Ah, so cute.
He doesn't like Marco.
Hello.
Ah, joke. Ganan ki siya. Yeah, ate. Just do like that, Andy. Just put. Yeah, ate.
So hard. Touch it.
Si Koy. Just put like that, Koy. Slowly.
No.
Like ate, balik ate.
Oh.
See?
So, Mr. Candy. Eve, talking to you. Bye-bye. Okay, one.
Oh. Hello. Because she will shout, Andy. Hey, come on, let's go there. Oh.
Okay, let's go there.
This is the chocolate.
Dapat kailang ko ang dagko kayo.
Come on na, let's feed na. Come here.
Bye-bye. Look at that.